yeah. Okay, yeah. Don't care like Stevie, okay, yeah. I look good, I smell like Dolce, yeah. Rich and independent, okay. Follow my dreams, I follow my gut. I follow your bitch, she follow me back. She calling my phone and calling her back. You're doing too much, you gotta relax. I woke up this morning and thought of myself, I'ma make money today. I'm chill with nobody but me and myself, cause I cannot fuck with the fakes.
What's up, my GG beauties? Oh, welcome back to another video. So today we're doing another watercolor video because I know y'all enjoy those. So I thought, hey, let me do a watercolor video on some yellow hair because it is springtime. So, you know, the pastel colors are in. So let's get this yellow rolling, y'all. These are the products that I'm putting in my water so my hair won't be so brittle and all that other good stuff. And that's the hair color. There's the hair, some of the hair that I use. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Turn on those post notifications so you won't miss these uploads. And I will see you on the outro. Hey loves, I just wanted to chime back in really quick. As you can see, I'm making a mess, but I just want to let y'all know that I won't be doing the 25 facts videos. I'm just not really comfortable yet putting myself out there. I just don't want to do that right now, but I am still doing my giveaway. So guys, stay tuned for my giveaway rules. I'm going to link them in the description bar of this video, so go ahead and check out my rules for my giveaway. My giveaway is worth $250, so go ahead and enter this giveaway, and let's get this ball rolling. Okay, GG beauties, I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Okay, my beauties, so I am about to give y'all these giveaway rules so y'all can enter and win this free stuff. Okay, y'all, so what you have to do is, number one, follow all my platforms. That's Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, all at Yvetteglam. Number two is you have to comment below. Let me know what color you guys want to see me do next. Also, number three is share my latest post on any of my platforms and tag me in it. Simple, right? Just three little simple things that you guys got to do to get this giveaway. It's not hard. I'm not asking you guys to jump through hoops to enter in this giveaway. You guys don't want to miss out because there's some good stuff in this giveaway. There's a makeup palette. There's some makeup brushes. There's some highlighters. I get a lot of questions on my wig, so I am making my giveaway winner a wig. Yes, ma'am, you're getting a wig from me, Yvetteglam. Also, I'm going to be providing you with a nice little hoodie. So yes, guys, enter in this giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Turn on those post notifications for your girl so you won't miss my uploads, because I got some good stuff coming like always. And I hope you guys like this video. Isn't that hair bomb, y'all? That yellow is popping. I can't wait for spring to really pop so I can wear my yellow hair. Hey. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all later.
Okay, 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 yeah. Don't care like Stevie, okay, yeah. I look good, I smell like Dolce, yeah.